Good morning. Today is April 13th on a Monday, and in this video I want to show you a trade that we just took this morning, and then I also want to show you two other trades that we're currently watching. Australian dollar to the Canadian dollar is one that we just took this morning, and we took it based on the VMS 2.0 strategy. We have lots of rejection right up in this area, lots of wicks, several engulfing candles here, and then finally this one, and this was the open Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it went from here, opened down here, and then came back up, filled in the gap, gave us an engulfing candle down. At this time, now we have volume is at 88 on the 1 hour. We're looking for at least 85. And the 15-minute, right before we got in this trade, the 15-minute candle closed at 95. The 4-hour momentum is divergent, as you can see. And we also have on the daily chart, you can see the daily chart is very high up here at 96 and starting to hook down. So we feel like this market is going to be hitting down, and it hits all the rules for the VMS 2.0 strategy. And we patiently waited for this to occur and waiting for the divergence to develop in order for us to take the trade. And that goes directly into the ones that we're currently watching. Euro to the yen is at all-time highs. Look back, monthly chart, all the way back to 2003. This market has never been this high. And I say that, but then also here was the recent high, and this one has surpassed it. Not by much, but it has. And so anyhow, so we are watching this one for some kind of a reversal, and it has to hit all of the rules that we have set in place for the VMS 2.0 strategy. And that is that structure. It needs to show us solid rejection up in this area. We also need 4-hour momentum to be divergent. Right here it's high, so we need it to come down and then come back up and make another hook and show us divergence there. And then also on a daily chart, momentum is pretty high up in here, but we need this to start hooking over. So this is not a trade that's going to happen today. It's probably going to take it a few days for this to develop, and maybe sometime this week, maybe sometime next week. But we typically will get like one or two trades on most of these markets, so we have lots of opportunities every month. The next one that we're watching is the pound to the yen, and this one is at 15-year resistance. And if we come over here, we'll see that this could possibly be a triple top. So that's what I'm going to call it, is a triple top. We have a very nice impulsive move up right here with hardly any consolidation whatsoever. Maybe a little fake out right here, right? But this one, when we checked into it, there was no volume in this one, so we passed it, and you can see what happened. When the VMS 2.0 all lines up, then it's a pretty powerful edge that we have in the markets. And so this one is the same way, though. We have 4-hour momentum is high, but it's not divergent. And the daily chart, we'll go look at that real quick. You can see this impulsive move up. But that means that the daily is very high, and it's still technically in an uptrend. So we have to wait for this to hook over and start coming down for us. So that's what we're currently watching for this week. Hope this helps you. And if you have any questions, just place them in the comments, and I will get back to you.